Happy week of September 24th. Here is this week's edition of the Van Horn Hive, where we empower all with a successful today for a better tomorrow. Updates. We will start our walkthrough look-fors on the standard and objective item. We will be looking for various things. First, that the objective is aligned to a standard, only for ELA and math. That the objective is referenced multiple times throughout the lesson. That students can state what they are learning. That means that they can state the objective, and that the students can state why they are learning it. I will also continue to review lesson plans. Those should include the standard, the objective, the materials, and the exit ticket. The exit ticket, or the common look for, is what you have agreed upon as a grade level that will show that the student has mastered the objective. One for ELA and math per week. We will begin our cookie dough fundraiser this week. We have an assembly on Tuesday, September 25th in the multipurpose room. First through third grades will be at 8:35 and fourth through sixth grades will be at 9:05. The fundraiser will end on October 9th. Please make sure you arrive on time to the assemblies. Some continued updates. We will begin recognizing accelerated reader points. Those will be recognized on Monday and Thursday mornings in the library. We will make an announcement. All grade levels should be setting AR goals. If you're not sure how to set an AR goal, please see Susie, Dustin, or me. We have been having some confidentiality issues occurring in our lounge. When you are in our lounge, please make sure you are not discussing specific students with their names. We never know who are substitutes. They could be parents or other community members who know the parents of the students you are talking about. So please use initials or teachers' names, but not the students' names. Also, there has been talk about our SDC staff and how they may be treating our SDC students. Please know that our SDC staff is trained. They know exactly what they're doing for their students and determine the needs of those students as needed. If you have a question regarding a strategy that you see, please see Mrs. Scheidemantel and do not discuss that strategy in the lounge. All right, here is some information regarding Tier 1 versus Tier 2 behavior interventions. Tier 1 behavior interventions should be happening in the classroom continuously and documented. Tier 2 behavior interventions begin after multiple documentation of Tier 1 interventions. No teachers should be emailing our school psychologist to come and observe a student until after an SST has been done or until parent consent has happened. If you want some additional support with Tier 1 interventions, you can always ask Mrs. Smith or Miss Witt for some Tier 1 strategies. All right, some reminders. All right, I put the committee form in the Van Horn Teacher Drive. Please see who is all in the committees that you signed up for, and email me the point person for your committee. Some committees have already done that, and thank you. The Sunshine Committee dues. If you are a full-time staff member, it's $35. If you're a part-time staff member, it's $17.50. Please see Mrs. Akins for payment. Parent engagement. You should see in your boxes a form for voting for the various parent engagement opportunities we have on campus. When you get those voting forms back, please turn them into the office as they arrive. We are quickly approaching awards to recognize those students who either showed growth or had excellence during the month of August and September. Those award ceremonies are October 4th and 5th. You will be getting a folder in your box. Please check the schedule for the various ceremonies. Make sure you read the protocol and complete all of the certificates. Please return the completed Student of the Month certificates to me by October 3rd. We will have an oral language meeting in Mrs. Bruce's class on Monday during lunch. And Brandy Dye, the Director of Innovation and Instruction, will be on campus on September 27th. All right, here is my favorite part, the shout-outs. Thank you to Miss Wolgamuth for organizing the recognition of our AR readers. That should be beginning shortly, again on Mondays and Thursdays. Thank you to Miss Beth for being the CSEA representative and making sure everything is in line with our certificated staff. Thank you to Mrs. Smith and Ms. Akins for attending the Loving Solutions training. I can't wait to get that parent program started at the end of the quarter. Actually, at the end of the semester. Thank you to 4th grade, 3rd grade, and 4th grade for scheduling their mid-quarter planning days. Thank you to Miss Castillo, Miss Hogue, Miss Maisie, and Miss Gonzalez, Miss Witt, and Miss Houston for taking our SDC students to the fair. I know they had a great time. And thank you to Miss Lopez for subbing for Miss Lozano last week. All right, Van Horn, that is it for this week's communication. And please remember our school-wide foci: planning and instruction for ELA and math, data analysis and backwards mapping, and PBIS, our school-wide matrix.